love your stock exhaust but hate the gaping hole that it left on your beautiful Aprilia RS 660? Well, my friends, the solution just might be in this box. The wait is over. Let's rip this box open, install this long-awaited accessory, and see if it could finally restore the beautiful design that was once your stock exhaust. Let's check this thing out.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just...
Well, here it is, guys. The Arma Speed carbon fiber exhaust cover slash belly pan in a high gloss finish. It's offered in this finish and in a primer. So you are discovering this thing with me for the very first time. At a glance, the finish looks high quality. You know, we've seen some aftermarket carbon fiber stuff, especially for the 660s recently, where the edges don't look really refined. You know, you're not gonna see some of this stuff, some of these edges that are underneath the motorcycle, but they took the time to make sure the edges were nice and smooth. Looks like it's got 4 mounting points. Bonus, huge thanks to Arma Speed. They also sent us to try out their engine covers in carbon fiber. It looks like it's got their logo in a dark red finish there with some hardware, and also an envelope with this high quality plastic folder, nice presentation, owner's manual stuff, and installation instructions for the carbon fiber engine covers, and a pretty cool hat as well. Huge thanks to Arma Speed. But the real question is, how well does this go on and how well does it look? Let's get this thing installed and take a really good look at this long-awaited, I think highly sought-after upgrade for your 660. Let's do it.
So the first thing you'll want to do is remove the stock belly pan, as you see here, and you're going to need a spacer to make this little screw that they provide fit a little more snug. For example, something like this would work just fine. We were able to find a couple of these to go right there. Also, you're going to want to trim the yellow OEM fairing just a little bit right along this edge right here, so that the carbon fiber could fit into that spot, but only the left side. And now that you have the aftermarket part attached to the OEM belly pan, you can proceed to reattach the whole thing best you can, as seen here. So this is what it looks like fully mounted, and you'll notice that the carbon fiber part is now touching our SC Project exhaust right there, and the rear brake pedal is also touching, especially when pressed. That's not ideal. We're going to go ahead and shave around the exhaust area and see if we can restore that clearance. So here's what it looks like after some shaving and trimming around the exhaust area and rear brake pedal. So why don't we talk about two things? One, how it looks, and two, how it fits. Aesthetically, I like it. I think the quality is good. I wish they offered it in a matte finish, but you know, this, at least the quality of the carbon fiber is good. So the high gloss really shows off the carbon fiber finish there. Let's look at the left side. You'll notice that it has those kind of angled, you know, almost winglet style edges, which actually are just matching the stock exhaust design. So that's cool that they took that into consideration. So looks wise, good. The build quality I think is good, but the fitment, so I chatted with the folks at Arma Speed this morning, and they did say that it is expected for you guys to have to trim where needed to fit your exhaust and rear brake pedal. So this is obviously designed for aftermarket exhausts that are sort of full length, that, you know, have a muffler that are out here on the side, as opposed to like the MIV exhaust or maybe the S1 by SC Project or the Two Brothers. So each exhaust, like the Aero, this SC1R, the Akrapovic, are going to be a little different in this area. So this is what ours looks like after we trimmed it a bit, and this is probably like at least ½ an inch of carbon fiber trimmed off this area. And basically what it did is it just moved it up, and it's still touching the exhaust, but it does clear the rear brake pedal better, but that's still touching where that spring screw or spring tab is. So if we get time, we'll trim this more and see how good we can get it. But this is what is expected. And the truth is, guys, as far as I know, there are only 2 brands that offer an exhaust cover like this. I'll link the other one in my description as well. But it's not carbon fiber. I think this is higher quality, but you're gonna have to do a little modification. So if you have the tools and wanna have at it, go for it. I think it's a great product. Otherwise, find a good shop to do it for you. This took, I would say, at least an hour to, carefully shave and modify for fitment. And it's obviously gonna take us a little longer to modify it even more. So please let me know what you guys think in the comments. Feel free to order one of these. I'll link the product in the description below with a discount code. That discount code will expire later this month, so take advantage if you're into it. And Armaspeed also offers these matching carbon fiber engine covers, so you'll find those on their website as well. If you found this video helpful, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to let me know to keep putting these things out. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.